everyone, Minnie's Handbags here, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here or if you're a returning viewer and you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so because your girl is almost at 1K subscribers and I will be doing a giveaway soon, so please make sure you're already subscribed. That way you'll know exactly how to go about entering into the giveaway, y'all. Now in today's video I am going to be doing another unboxing, and this unboxing is actually from one of our YouTube content creators here in the handbag community, none other than my girl Ola May. I will make sure to leave her channel link down below, but Miss Ola May has a shop that she resells bags on, and your girl did pick up an item from her. The name of her website is called ShopOMGs, and I will make sure to leave a link to her shop down below in the description as well too, guys. But make sure you check out Ola May's channel and subscribe to her. She has amazing content, and then head on over to her website and pick yourself up a bag, girl, because I did, and she does have some cute bags on there. So we're gonna go ahead and get right on into this unboxing. Now she did make sure to mark this as fragile, so I definitely appreciate that, and I just have my information covered up here. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what your girl picks up. Now this particular bag I have been eyeing and checking out the secondhand market for, because when it originally came out I missed out on it, and it actually popped back up on the Dooney and Bourke site, like I want to say maybe over the summer, and I missed out on it again. And I was like, okay, I'm either not gonna get this bag, or wasn't meant to have this bag, or I'm gonna have to pick it up off the secondhand market. Now when I was checking out the secondhand market, everybody had this bag at a ridiculous price, y'all, and I was like, yeah, I'm not doing it at all, right? So your girl Ola May must have picked it up or found it, and she put it on her shop, and I had to add this bag to cart. So this is a pretty big box, so hopefully I can get into it. And pull it out. So she has it, let's see, can you guys see that? So she has it wrapped and very nice, so I definitely appreciate that. So let me go ahead and pull it out of the box. Ooh. Yes. Y'all, your girl is excited. Hopefully you can kind of tell what she is. But I did end up picking up the Tasha Drawstring in the Hydrangea print, y'all, with the black background. Oh, she is absolutely gorgeous, and she even has the makeup covers on the tassel. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Y'all don't know how long I've been wanting this bag. I wanted this bag since last year, and I was super sad when I missed out on this purchase. One, because the Tasha is my favorite drawstring silhouette from Dooney and Bourke, and two, this Hydrangea print is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. It is so gorgeous. I end up picking up my Bitsy bag in this background, and I have been loving it ever since. So when I saw that she posted this on her site, I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and add this bad boy to cart, and I am so glad that I did, y'all. So let's go ahead and check it out a little more in detail. Ola May, no ma'am. All right, so we're gonna put the bag on pause, y'all, because I was not expecting anything else in here. Oh, Ola May, thank you, sis. So a card. Let's see what it says. It says, good day, Minnie. Thank you for ordering. Enjoy your beautiful DB bag. Thank you, Ola May. Aw, thanks, Ola May. Y'all, look. She got me a cute little teddy bear charm. That is so cute. And it matches the bag, y'all. Oh, look, it moves around, y'all. Look at the little arms. And the head moves too. This is so cute. Thank you, Ola May. I really appreciate it. That is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, let's put it on the bag real quick. Let's put it on the bag. Let's put it on the bag. Okay. Here we go. All right. There. She is hooked on the bag, y'all. Okay. This is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I absolutely love this, y'all. Now, this bag does come with 4 feet on the bottom, and all the hardware on this bag is in gold. It does come with the braided shoulder strap on here as well, too. It has the key leash. And then it has my favorite lining in the inside. Now, the Tasha does come with a zip and slip on the back wall. It does have the leather Dooney and Bourke tag on that slip pocket. And then on the front wall, you do get 2 slip pockets on that front wall. And if you're not familiar with the Tasha drawstring, y'all, let me tell you, she is a big mama, y'all. She really is a big mama. I will put her measurements up on the screen for you guys. But yeah, this bag definitely holds all of your essentials, and you always have room for more. I love the Tasha because of how big it is. And I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4. This makes 5, no, 6. Yes. So I have a total of 6 drawstrings in my collection that are Tasha's. So that should tell you right there, your girl loves the Tasha now. She is one of those drawstring bags from Dooney and Bourke that if you are new to drawstrings and you want a bag that's going to be able to hold all of your essentials and you can carry it as an everyday or even as a work bag, definitely grab yourself a Tasha, okay? Because she will do all of that and then some. But y'all, I am so loving the hydrangea print. This one has all the beautiful pink flowers on it with a few blues and greens in there, but I am loving the different shades of pink. You have your light pink, your bright pink, almost like a fuchsia color pink as well, and then of course you do have your hydrangeas in that pink and white as well too. This is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I am so glad that I finally have this bag in my collection, and I cannot wait to wear her this coming spring, y'all. Now I do have, let me see if I can pull out my accessory that I do have to match this bag, because I did pick up, I believe, the cosmetic case that matches that. So y'all hold on a sec. All right, guys, so I did bring out my Dome cosmetic pouch from Dooney and Bourke, and do y'all see how well she matches? Yes, y'all, your girl is super excited. I am so glad that I end up picking this up. Olame, thank you so much for sending me this beautiful bag. Y'all, please make sure to check out her channel and subscribe if you're not already on YouTube, and also make sure to check out her ShopOMGs website as well to see if there are any bags on there that you have been checking for that you haven't been able to find either at your favorite brand or on the secondhand market. And the pricing is definitely affordable, y'all. I am so excited that I finally have this beautiful hydrangea Tasha in my collection. Just really quickly, if you guys are not familiar with these little mesh makeup covers, you can find them on Amazon. I will try to leave a link down below for them, but these are really great to have for your for your tassels to protect them, but I will make sure to try to leave those linked down below because you can find them off of Amazon, guys, and they're really easy to put on your tassels. They slip on pretty easily and it keeps it covered and all the tassels in place, so I absolutely love that, guys. So this is my Tasha drawstring from ShopOMGs shop in the Hydrangea print. Absolutely love it, guys. Now, if you stuck with your girl this far, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free to you guys. Plus, once your girl hits 1K, I will be doing my giveaway. And if you have the Hydrangea in your collection, guys, please make sure, let me know which Hydrangea background you picked up, either in the black background, white background, or blue background, down below in the comments. Don't forget to like this video as well as leave a nice comment down below. Share as well too. Don't forget to click that bell, guys, as well too. That way you guys are always notified every time I upload new content. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.